How to link your mobile number to RedNote app in 2025. First of all, open the RedNote app on your mobile device. If you don't already have it, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it is installed, log into your account. If you are a new user, create an account by using with your email or social media account. Now that you are logged in, tap on your profile icon or Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, click on the setting icon, usually a small GS symbol at the top right of the screen. Under the setting menu, look for the option called Account Security. Tap on it. Here you will see an option to bind your phone number. Tap on it and then enter your mobile number along with your country code. Now tap on the send code. You will get a text message with a code. Enter that code in the app and voila, your mobile number is now linked to your RedNote account. And that's it, you have successfully linked your mobile number to the RedNote app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.